boys and girls. I hope you've been enjoying some time outside. I know I have. We've had some pretty nice days. So today our story is And Then It's Spring. And I bet you know why I chose the story to read first. First, you have brown. All around you have brown. Then there are seeds. And a wish for rain. And then it rains. And it is still brown, but a hopeful, very possible sort of brown. And is that a little green? No, it's just brown, sort of brown. Then it is a week. And you worry about those little seeds. And if maybe it was the birds, or maybe it was the bears and all that stomping, because bears can't read signs that say things like, please do not stomp here. There are seeds and they are trying. And then it is one more week. And the brown, still brown, has a greenish hum that you can only hear if you put your ear to the ground and close your eyes. And then it is one more week. And a sunny day, that sunny day that happens right after the rainy day. And you walk outside to check on all that brown. But that brown isn't around. And now you have green. All around you have green. I hope you boys and girls enjoyed our first story. So in the story, the boy and his dog like to plant seeds and play outside. So now I want to know, what is your favorite spring activity? So you'll answer in the comments, and I can't wait to hear what it is that you like to do.